Hi everybody, in this example I want to go over problem 3.7 to kind of help you to understand how we calculate payroll and how we record payroll. In the example we are given that the total payroll, it turns out to be $20,000. That is the sum of 10,500, 5,700 and 3,800. Now FICA tax payable is 8% of it. Employee income tax payable is 10% of it. And wages payable out of that is 16,400. So the total payroll turns out to be 20,000. Wages, and then we pay wages. So we debit wages payable and credit cash. And then we have factory overhead, where we calculate factory overhead by adding up the 10,500 and 5,700 and multiply it by the individual tax rates, the 8%, the 1% and the 4%, and that's how we come up with 2,106. And then payroll tax expense is nothing but the SG&A in this administrative salaries multiplied by the same tax rates. So we add that as well. Now, to working process, we are going to add 10,500, it's direct material. Factory overhead is 5,700, which will flow through working process afterwards. And sales SG&A salaries is 3,800, and then finally we credit the payroll, the total payroll, which is 20,000. FICA tax payable is nothing but the 3,100 plus 1,600 plus 1,600. Employee income tax payable is pretty much the same, the $1,937.50 plus the 2,000 that we calculated earlier. And then on 3 and 4, the $193,075 represents 1% of total earnings, and 775 represents 4 total of total earnings, state unemployment and tax payable, and that will pretty much cover what I wanted to cover for 3.7. I'm going to also solve a problem related to vacation and bonuses, 3.11, and I'm hoping that the 2 questions will help you understand the material better.